Nose? Is that Oreo's nose? Where's Finley's nose?
No.
Nose.
No.
Nose. Nose.
Where's Oreo's ears? Where's his ears?
There they are. Where are Finley's ears? That's right. Ears. That's your nose right there.
Where's your ears?
Ears. Where's Finley's hair? Where's Finley's hair? Where's Finley's hair?
Where's your hair? Where's your hair? Where's Oreo's hair?
See, that's everywhere, Daddy.
Where's Oreo's hair? Where's Oreo's hair? Eyes?
Nose. There's your eyes. And there goes that.